Now look at it. It's touching 124.19, scalpers. You see where it touched? I tell you what, though, the fact that it came right back down into this channel, that's bearish, right? It should not have come right back down in this channel, but you all made money off of those puts and or shorts. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Amazon's still pulling. There's your pull all the way back down to 124.19 again. Told you, very bearish, right? The fact that it's down here again this fast tells me it wants to pull again, right?
Is there a level we're looking at below that .19?
124 will be the next because that's going to be the whole natural.
It seems heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. It should not have come back here already. I just said that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should not. There you go.
There it is. Damn.
I told you 124.53. That's your short. There it is. Went all the way back down, broke below 124.19. And look at the bounce again off of Amazon. Scalpers, make your money every single time. Every single time it does this. Right here's your put. Right here's your stop. Right? Always have your stop. So if you're in a put, by the way. So let's say you bought a put here, right? This is your stop. And then down here, you have to watch this area. Why? It's a critical area. This is where I shed, right? That way, if it pops up against me, it's okay. And then I can dump the rest. Do you see how this works over and over and over?